Okay, are we rolling? Great. What you are looking at behind me is something mankind could never think of. The biggest firework in the world. Now I know what you are thinking. There was already a massive firework that weighed 2,797 pounds and was 4 feet 8/75 inches in diameter or something like that. Well, this one weighs triple that amount, and is about 13 feet. This will be the next biggest firework in history. I have also added thousands, if not millions, of firecrackers and even warheads. This is almost like a missile, but a firework too. This firework has been in the works since the year 2015, and I've been buying lots of fireworks each year, and I think a lot of them were illegal too. Thousands of deadly fireworks combined into one massive firework, which I call Super Dynamite. Yeah, I could and think of a better name for it honestly, so if you think it a dumb name, you know why. There will be a massive explosion in the sky, and I'm positive that the entire country will be able to hear it. Okay, I am going to launch the fireworks now. I may get arrested, but it will be worth it. Okay, here we go. America, put on your headphones and prepare for the big one. Alright, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At this time, all residents across the country are being urged to seek an underground shelter immediately. A large explosion was seen in the sky above the state of Indiana. This explosion is believed to have been a large firework that was launched from an unknown location. This explosion is extremely large and massive fireballs are falling from the sky, destroying everything across the affected areas, which is the entire United States. Massive fires have started in almost every state across the country, and are causing massive damage to large cities, neighborhoods, and forests. Wildfires have started, and they are capable of incinerating anything and everything it spreads to. The sounds of the explosion are still being heard, and it is said that the sound can be heard in Hawaii and Alaska, and maybe even Europe and Africa. Some fireballs have landed in lakes, rivers, ponds, and pools, causing them to slowly dry up. There were even some pools that got impacted with a lot of people, and every person in the area was killed. Approximately 7,000 people have been injured or killed from either being burned or boiled alive from the water. Explosions have also occurred in the areas affected, causing more fires to occur, and causing other fires to spread faster and farther at a rapid rate. Massive wildfires have occurred throughout this event, and have already completely burned down entire forests, cities, neighborhoods, and entire states altogether. This mostly occurred in the eastern United States, but this is slowly beginning to occur in other states in the central USA, including the Pacific United States. Very gruesome deaths have occurred from residents being burned alive to all of their flesh peeling from their bodies as they melt entirely to the ground with only their blood remaining. This is because of all of the wildfires that are somehow causing the temperature to increase slowly. Most of the United States is already in flames right now, so people in the areas that are in flames are pretty much done for, as reports have been coming in about people completely melting, top to bottom. Very gruesome details have also been received by local authorities. Many objects have completely melted in just under 2 minutes due to all of the wildfires, which are causing temperatures to increase. As a result of fireballs also striking the Atlantic Ocean, The ocean is also beginning to boil, where excessively loud blood screams are being heard from the ocean by witnesses, especially at coastline areas. This is really something impossibly crazy, and has somehow been caused by what seems to have been a massive firework. As a result of power lines exploding, many power outages have occurred across the country, and many power plants have begun to explode as a result of the fires spreading around them. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation and must not be ignored. The entire country will be completely destroyed once this event ends, and it is believed that this event will be lasting for the remainder of the night. At this time, all residents across the country are being urged to seek an underground shelter immediately. Do not hesitate or prepare to shelter. Get underground immediately. There is no time to prepare or waste time. Get underground immediately. I repeat, get underground immediately. Nothing will be strong enough to withstand these wildfires, as they are spreading rapidly and are melting everything in their paths. The wildfires are beginning to combine with each other right now as this message is emergency update. All of the wildfires that have occurred across the country have combined, and is now one large wildfire. A massive wildfire has overrun the entire United States, and is starting to spread into Canada and Central America. It is believed that the fire will spread to other countries across the planet. Reports have come in about people having all of their skin completely melt, and everything else inside of them melting entirely with their blood boiling up due to the excessive heat. At this time, get into an underground shelter and wait out the fire. Seek shelter now. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now. Remain tuned to the station for more information and updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.